Welcome back to my channel, each and every one. It's Will's Kitchen Table again. Chef Will is here to prepare a really wonderful carrot cake today. It's a carrot pineapple old-fashioned style, homemade. All right, and I'm just gonna jump right in and get this recipe going. It's a really quick one, simple. So I'm just gonna show you guys step by step what I'm putting inside this carrot cake. All right. So first thing, I'm going to show you guys my 2 cups of flour. I'm just going to sieve this flour right here. I just want to say, if you're new to the channel right now watching, don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and share the video. It's greatly appreciated when you share the videos, guys. Alright, just gonna sieve this 2 cups of flour right here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright. A little well inside. And right here, guys, I got 1.5 cups of sugar right here. I'm using brown sugar. I'm just gonna add it right to my flour. Alright. And I have 2 teaspoons of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Alright. I'm just gonna combine this. Mix that right in the flour. This is how simple this recipe is. And I'm gonna get a teaspoon of salt also to add inside. So I got some salt right here. Just add a teaspoon of salt. And right here I got a teaspoon of ginger, ground ginger, teaspoon of nutmeg grated, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Just add that right in. Blend all those spices together in your flour. So you really don't need your mixer right here to get this recipe going. So simple. And I got 3 eggs right here, guys. Just gonna beat these eggs with my whisk, or you can use a fork, your choice. Beautiful. Right here I got 2 teaspoons of vanilla going on, guys. And you know what I'm gonna do? I got some island rum right here. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of island rum inside there as well. Give some flavor. Gotta turn the flavor up. Alright. That smells really good, the island rum. And I got 1 cup of vegetable oil right here. Just add that inside. Just mix that right in. All right. So I'm just gonna add this right inside the flour. And I'm gonna add 1.5 cup of chopped pineapple. And that's fresh pineapple. You can use the canned pineapple if you like, your choice. I'm using fresh pineapple. The flavor is so much better, and that's what you're looking for, is to turn the flavor up. I use brown sugar in this recipe. I just love the brown sugar. I just find it so much flavor than using the white sugar, but you can use the white sugar as well. All right, so I'm gonna add my carrots. It's 2 cups of carrots, a little bit over 2 cups. And then I shred 1 apple. So I shred the carrots, then I shred the apple right inside. Just gonna mix that right in. I can smell the pineapple right now. The flavor is just standing out inside. On the island rum, the cinnamon, the nutmeg. Oh, all those spices combined. Right now I'm gonna make this recipe so good. I want you guys try it out and let me know how you like it. My homemade carrot pineapple cake. Then, last but not least, I got 1.5 cups of a raisin right here. Just gonna add this inside. All right. Just gonna mix it in gently. Now I'm gonna add my mixture right inside. And this is how simple it is to make this carrot pineapple cake. You want to get every bit of it out the bowl. Don't want to waste anything. Beautiful. All right, I'm just gonna spread this out nicely. And this should take about 35 to 40 minutes inside your oven at 350. We're gonna get this baking. And I have a cream cheese frosting I'm gonna mix. That's gonna go on top after it cools down. Beautiful. All right, give this a nice shake. And this is going inside the oven. So listen, as soon as this come out, I'm gonna show you what this looks like. It's gonna be beautiful. Let's get it inside the oven. We're gonna turn the flavor up. All right, so the carrot cake is going in the oven right now. So I'm just gonna get the cream cheese frosting going right now. I got 8-ounce pack of cream cheese right here. I'm just gonna get this right inside my food processor. Right there. Scrape everything right inside. Don't want to make a mess. All right. Get that all out. And then I got a 1/4 cup of butter right here. You can use salted or unsalted, your choice. Go right inside with my cream cheese. And then I got 2 cups of icing sugar right here. I'm gonna add this right inside as well. All right. So I'm gonna just get this start mixing right now. Can be a bit loud, so I'll show you guys how nice and smooth it comes out. All right. So this is done mixing. Just gonna show you guys the texture. It looks like. Comes out like that. All right, nice and smooth. That's how you want it to be. Just gonna wait. I'm just gonna sit this in the fridge and wait for the carrot cake to finish. Then we're gonna get it on top. All right. All right. So now the carrot cake is cooled down. We're gonna get it the frosting right on top of it. So I'm gonna pipe it on actually. So I'll just start from the corner goes up. I just like to do it this way so it looks pretty. You can use a spatula and put on the frosting if you like. Everyone eat with their eyes. And this way you don't have too much frosting on it. If someone don't like the frosting, they can easily get it off. Won't be too much. I just give it a nice little zigzag right across. Beautiful. Now I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of shredded carrot right over it. I actually had a little bit of honey, some of the shredded carrot, put it in the oven for a few minutes to get it dried out. I'm using it for garnish right now. Looks beautiful. Look at that. So, it's your carrot cake right here. Looking lovely. Just gonna cut them in squares. Beautiful. Alright. Say thanks for watching again. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification. Alright, so you'll know when I put up a new video. And I'll catch you in another one.